Today, we'll look at how to file ITR-3 in Spectrum Cloud. First, open the software and select your client. Once the client is opened, you'll see the option to prepare the return. Then go to the return flow. Start with the Business and Profession section. Here, you'll set up your business details such as business name, nature of business, description, and trade name. Once that's done, Spectrum Cloud gives you the option to import data from Tally or Busy. If you already have the trial balance available, simply select the trial balance file from Tally along with the master list of accounts. Within seconds, the software prepares all your data. When you move to the ITR-3 balance sheet, you don't need to enter each figure manually. Using the drag and drop option, your trial balance data automatically gets mapped into the profit and loss account and balance sheet. After that, you can also add any other income heads as needed. Once the balance sheet and PL are prepared, you can view the preview to cross-check all the details. Next, computation section, where the software generates a computation based on the information you provided. Now proceed to e-filing. Since we included business and profession income, the software automatically selects ITR-3. If any errors are detected, they will be displayed here. Simply click on the error message and the software will take you directly to the location where the correction is required. Once all errors are fixed and the information is correct, the option for e-filing becomes available. Finally, click on Proceed for e-filing and your ITR-3 return is instantly submitted from Spectrum Cloud.